Whoa, hope you're doing well today. Well, in the time period where my internet's not been acting quite right, I've accumulated several packages here that I've been wanting to do unboxings on. Did one, but the file got all corrupted. I tried uploading it about 3 or 4 different times and it kept messing up. The internet kept shutting off on me, and so something happened to the file and it got corrupt, so we're gonna have to redo it. But anyway, we got all these packages. We're gonna open one up in just a minute, right after this. Alright, like I said in the intro, my internet's been messing up and I've had several packages coming in that I've been wanting to do unboxings on. So we're going to take one of these, we're going to open it up for you here in just a minute and kind of go over it and explain why I like it and why I chose this. Actually, I chose it, but it was shipped to me by my son Isaiah, so we'll get right into that coming right up. Alright, we're going to open this one up. Just received this one yesterday in the mail, and this was sent to me by my son Isaiah in California. So let's see what we got. Alright, got a nice canteen here. With the canteen cup. Now, a lot of people like the water bottle style better and stuff because they can cook in the cup that goes with that. Well, I went with this style because, for one, the military uses it, and I figure if it's good enough for the military, it's good enough for me. So I wanted to go with this style, and also because it goes with my cook set. Now you're probably thinking, well, that's an awful lot of stuff to be carrying. Well, I'm not going to be carrying it. It's going to be in the trailer of my bicycle, and if I have to dump the bike somewhere, we'll think about that when the time comes. But I can still heat water up in this and boil noodles and things like that. But the reason I like having this is because if you caught a fish, yeah, you could try to cook it on a rock or put it on a skewer or something. But I'd rather just open this up and cook it on here. And don't waste your space. Use your space. Okay, I got a day's worth of food packed inside this thing. And coffee. But anyway, let's take a look at this canteen. Okay. No information about it, it's just a thing. Hold on, let me look this up. Alright. Well, we just looked this up. This is a 1 quart canteen and a 1/2 quart cup. Now this is the same style and size that was used during the Second World War. But like I was saying, I'd rather have this than one of those just, you know, the round bottle ones. It seems to go together better with this. You know, you could take this here, hang your coffee cup on the end of it if you had to. That's what those little notches were for. I believe. That's what we used to do anyway, in basic training. Anyway, this style here nests together really well, and you can even get a little stove that will pack in with this, and you can also get a lid that will fit on top of this cup, so when you're cooking in this, it'll hold the heat in. Thank you, Isaiah. I appreciate it. This is going right in with my Bugout gear. And I think what we're going to do though first is we're going to take this. I'm not sure. Oh, and it's single wall, so you can put this right over the fire without the lid on it though. I'm going to probably be trying to figure out a way to put some kind of a little connector on this chain that I can just clip on and clip off. That way I can set that right in the fire if I had to heat up water. Say I wanted to heat up some more water than what this holds, I can just set this right in the fire also, so without the lid, of course. Anyway, I'm curious, what kind of canteen or cookware do you have set up for your bug out situation or camping situation or hiking, whatever? What do you prefer? Do you prefer this style of canteen, or do you just use a water bottle? Let me know down in the comments down below. I'm curious. I'm sure other people would like to hear comments too on what you use and why you picked that particular vessel, canteen or water bottle or what have you. But this is what I'm going with. Like I said, you know, our GIs have been using it. This is what we used when I was in basic training. Actually, you know what? I think we had plastic canteens, and I wouldn't advise on the plastic canteen. Sure, it's probably a lot lighter than this, but if the situation arose where you had to use it to heat up some water, you can't. Okay? Even this one, if I didn't fix it up with a little clip, some kind that I can, you know, hook it on and take it off, I can just take it off and still use it to heat water up in. So, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you use, and tell me what you think of this kind with this style. Now, I also wanted to make sure that mine had this kind of a handle on it. I don't care for those ones where the handles swing out. For one, they get hotter. They get a lot hotter than this does. Okay, those handles are a lot closer to the cup. They're like about right here, which is halfway the distance, and they just don't feel comfortable holding them, where this is more comfortable. Maybe that's just me. Anyway, like I said, I'm kind of gotten rusted. Haven't made a video in, well, other than that short little one to let you guys know that my internet's been down. Haven't made a video in over a month, so kind of rusty here. I'm sure you noticed this one's all chopped up here and there because I messed up so many times. Anyway, I hope you're all doing good. Hope this COVID thing hasn't gotten you down. Hope the rioting and looting hasn't gotten you down. I just think everybody really needs to start prepping. Anyway, I'll put some pictures down below, a link where you can pick this canteen up. Now, the canteen bag does have the old-fashioned What were those called? I can't even remember what this kind of a hookup was called. It's what we had on our stuff in basic training. Or no, we had the Alice clips. I think that's what those were called. But anyway, I'll definitely have to do something with this. Make a little strap so I could put it on a belt. It does have one right here, but I'd rather have one that hung. I just wanted this to be a short video anyway, so I can get something out there for you guys to watch, and I can get one of these items unboxed and hopefully get this uploaded using my new internet. What I'm using for my internet now is my smartphone. I'm going to be using it to tether to my computer to upload my videos. So, but the canteen, I really wanted. A lot of people use those tall, skinny ones, you know, with the water bottle that sits in it, and the stove, and all these other things. But I wanted to go with this style. So, anyway, thank you for stopping by. Hope we can get this video uploaded. We'll see how it turns out. Until next time, stay prepared.